So this is the presentation video for my project. Basically, I will first briefly introduce the project. So for this project, we are going to develop a hotel reservation system for a hotel. So in this hotel, we can um, let the guests to book a room, and also we have the login system for the staff to check the current booking room or the available room, the bill from the customer, and also the staff can book the room by themselves. Um, so for the data storage, I have used several files to store the data. In my application, I have one, two, three, four. I have four files to store the data. They are available rooms, login, reservation rooms, and total rooms. So yeah, this the file that I have to test. So let me delete them all to for fully presentation. Okay. So first, let me get into this one. To briefly introduce how I initialize the database for the file. So I have implemented it if the system cannot detect the file that I have mentioned. So they will create a default file for me. So let's see initialize room. So we will first initialize a login account for the staff for us to test. So this is the user ID, this is the password. And also we will initialize the default room. As you can see, I have initialized 8 rooms, and also because this system is a new system, so there are no customer has booked any room. So for the available rooms, as you can see, it will be written as the default rooms first, and then let me run it to see. Run it. All right, and refresh this. So as you can see, we have 3 data file has been created. Now I will try to test my system. So first I will go to guest. So in this guest, um, let me first state that for the second route we cannot input anything. It will be generated by the number of guests. Like if I press 1, it will have one single room for one adult. 2, one single room for 2 adults. 3, either one double room or 2 single room. 4, as you can see, yeah, it will generate based on the first field. So let me test 2 person first. So this is the normal room. This is the room type. Yeah, we can choose different room type and check-in days. Um, check-in days is like this. So yeah, let me test this. Uh, so it will be 3 days and submit it. And now we will go into the guest information step. So title, first name is just for testing. But the phone number should be integers, and we will need this phone number to check the reservation later. And for the email, we have to have the correspond and submit, and it will say reservation successfully created. So let me click back, and I will refresh it again. Yeah, we can see that the reservation rooms data file has been created. So let me click staff. So based on the based on the initialized account, we can input one and ABC, submit it, and we can go into the menu for the stuff. So yeah, first let me check the build service. So this build service will allow the staff to enter the phone number of the customer like this. Um, so um, like so this the phone number that has been input when I try to um, book a room for a guest. So yeah, you can see that it's correct. So let me go back, and then we will go into the available room. So like I said, I have created 8 room in total for the default for testing. So and I have booked 1 room, so the available rooms should be 7. Yeah, it should be 7. And click back. And the next one is the current booking. Um, I booked a room, right? So when I click this, yeah, it will show it. Current booking, 3 days, number of room 1, normal room, and this the customer name, back, and book a room. So this book a room is similar to the guest, the the process that the guest has to do when they want to book a room. So when I book a room, so I will choose 4 this time. Delicious. Go to 9, 20, submit, and title is same thing. Last name, address, phone number 123, and this the email. And click. Yeah, yes, reservation successfully created and back and 123, I guess. Yeah, 123. It has been created, correct. Available room, 6, current booking, these 2 stuff, and this is alright. So this is the presentation um for this project. So now I walk through the code with you to see how I do this. So first, let me go into the welcome controller. Welcome controller. In this, we have 2 buttons. The first one is create the guest. Second one is create the staff. And we go into login, and it's the same. And we'll go to the book controller to see how I do this. So this is the book controller. This is quite complicated because we need to recommend the room for the guests and indicate them like what kind of room they will get based on the number of guests they input, right? So yeah, this is the logic that I have implemented for it. Um, this the configure data picker is for getting the check-in day and check-out day. And click back, we'll go back. And for this click back, it will based on the it's based on where you come from. If you click the book from the welcome, then it will go back to welcome. If you are a staff and you book and you click this button and you go into this controller from menu, it will go back to menu, and this the submit. So as we know, after we click the submit, we will go into the customer controller. So we need to pass the select room to customer controller, and after the customer click submit, the room will be booked. So right now the room has not been booked. It just has been selected and passes and pass. And this is the customer controller. Yeah, it will. add a new reservation into the reservation file. And yeah, this the stuff. Um, anything else? And I think one the other complicated thing is the reservation class, and I will talk about it. Where is this? Uh, Rebel room. Um, yeah, here. Yeah, so this is the reservation class that I have implemented. So I will have the date they have booked, the check-in date, the checkout date, the room type, and the room list, like what room they will get into, and the guest information. So yeah, I think that's all. I think it will. I have provide a fully presentation for my project. That's all. Thank you.